Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your bowl fits together well. This one does. It has everything, no chips or anything. Second thing is to take some flour. That'll be enough. And put it on your tray. Then add some water. And mix it in. A drop at a time is best after the initial amount. Make sure it is completely mixed. This is just regular flour, but it's not bread flour or pastry flour. It's a middle gluten type of flour. And a little bit more. One drop, maybe. Okay, next you want to add a base lacquer, not a middle, not a more expensive top one, but base. And the amount may be equal to your flour. And mix that in. And a little bit extra. There you go. Okay, that's right. The next step is to apply it to the edges. Start at the edge, one end. flower will go on kind of, it'll spring out. It won't lay flat that easily, so it's a little bit difficult to apply. I'll apply to both sides. Again to this side. It is. The next step is to place them or smash them or put them together, glue them together basically. You have to be careful that you don't have a bunch of material here. And then just press in. As tight as you can without collapsing it. And then I'm going to put a rubber band on, so I'm going to take off some of the material on the outside so the rubber band doesn't smear it. And then I have to put a rubber band on. That's it for today. I'm going to take a little bit more of this off. I'm going to remove a little bit more of the excess material. It makes it easier to clean later. It also helps you adjust your fit. You want to get your edges as close as possible, which will help you in the later stages. You remove the extra fit, try to smear it as little as possible. And finally, we will adjust the rubber band just a little bit more so it doesn't fly off. And we'll remove this. That's it. Done. Till it dries some. So I'll put it in the dryer right now.